Hi guys, this is Claire's Adventure World, and today I'm going to be unboxing Miniverses again. I love Miniverse. They're so much fun to build. And I also have my friend Ginger over here. She has a love hat. Christmas. Oh. And I have a video of Once Upon a December, and this was Ginger's favorite drink. So cute. Sorry. So, right now I'm unboxing. I always like the zipper. I don't know why, but I love the zipper the most because it's so easy to just like rub off. Oh, gosh, I got the zipper. Perfect. Perfect. I love when I like Miniverse. And wait, where's the zipper in this one? Oh, there it is. I'm like, why is there a pointer at that? Well, okay. Pop. Wow, so much surprises. Ooh, more candles. Oh, lavender. Wonder what I get. I think I know which one I got. If you didn't see it, like one of my Roblox videos, Serena, I think she got the exact same thing as me. She has this one. Oh my gosh. We're twinsies. And oh yeah, this is literally hers. Oh my gosh. Let me see what this is. Yes, it is. This. Oh my gosh. I got this. This one's so cool. I love it. I get to make my own. Take the zipper off. Ooh, that's easy to rip off. No, don't get stuck on me. Now I'm gonna open the candles. Wow. Oh no. Oh my gosh, that's so much. Oh my gosh. This is a lot of rising now. Okay, let me hold it as a candle, not a straw. Perfect. Now I'm gonna add this on. Oh my gosh, I forgot my alcohol wipes. Oh no. But it's still okay. it just give me a lot? Oh my gosh, that's a lot now. Oh, this literally smells like lavender. The sprinkles on this looks like smells like lavender. It literally does. It actually sort of smells like probably like thyme or like I don't know. Mini-verse. Oh my gosh. So cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Perfect. Let me get this bit of sprinkles on here. Oh, it's so cute. Perfect. I'm not gonna put the lid on because you know what I said to Serena in that video I did. Now I get to open this mini-verse. Oh, and first I'm gonna put the lid on my Ryzen. There's the Ryzen. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. Perfect. Now I'm gonna open the second one. The zipper. Come on, zipper. Zipper's not. Oh my gosh. The way I don't like to open it. Looks like I did open it that way. But oh, there it is. Perfect. I got the zipper on this one. No. Perfect. Take this off. Ooh. So I did not open this. Oh my gosh, this was one of my favorites. I love the mirror. I love that. I forgot to open it. Oh yeah, and also this I forgot to open. It was this thingy. Oh, come on. Wait, did it? Oh, it did come with this. I think this is a new pack. Oh, this looks so cute. I want to see you on the collector's guide. Where's the... Oh my gosh, I got these strawberries. Looks so cute. Wait, where is the collector's guide? Oh, there you go. Oh yeah, this does have them coming soon ones. Wait, the coming soon. The coming soon. Wait, where is the one? I think I know what I got. I think I might got this one. Yeah, I might get that one. I think. This one. I'm gonna open this. Oh, it is definitely that one. It is definitely that one. 100% that is that one. This is so cute. Wait, this has tape over it, right? Oh yeah, Mini-verse loves tape. I don't know why. Mini-verse, yes, loves tape. Oh my gosh, the strawberries fell out. Oh my gosh, these are so much. Should have got my alcohol wipes. At least the Ryzen's still okay. I just love my strawberries. Oh my gosh, you're kidding me, Ryzen. So much. I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna put it on the top. Oh my gosh, this looks so cool. I'm gonna hold this too. Should have got it. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Got on the table. Just gonna do that for a quick second. Oh my gosh. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no, it's getting in. It's dipping in. Gosh. That's so big. The other one's just drifting down. Now I'm getting the other one. Oh my gosh, this is so much. Less. Oh my gosh. Okay, squeeze it in. Oh my gosh, I have to hold it? No. I'm gonna hold it in the Ryzen. I'm gonna hold it. Okay, that's... Oh my gosh, no, 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 no. Please don't say that. Okay, this was so cute. Well, guys, that was so fun. Well, thanks for watching. XOXO. Bye.